Hey everyone, it's Joey at Alpha Mortgage Advantage, and I wanted to talk about cash, meaning actual physical tens and twenties, hundreds cash. It's not uncommon necessarily for me to be talking with clients and them to mention that, hey, they've got, X amount of dollars. It might be that it's discussed whether it's in the bank and checking, savings, and sometimes clients will tell me, hey, I've got $10,000 in cash sitting in the living room. My personal opinion would be put it in the bank. It's definitely safer there. But I do get that some people are working cash businesses or maybe have sold something recently, whatever the case may be. That being said, cash is generally speaking not usable when you're purchasing a home with the purposes of a mortgage. So cash has to be what we call seasoned. So it would need to be in a bank account for at least 2 months without that large deposit of cash showing. So let's just say if you deposit your money in January and you get the statement for that month at the beginning of February, you'd probably have to wait until, say, early April when you've then got your February and March statements out that don't show that large deposit. So that's usually the only way that money's usable. The one exception is if you can really, really strongly track where that money came from through documentation. A good example is perhaps you sold a car and the person buying it gave you cash, and you can show us a transfer of title, bill of sale, things like that. That can make it usable. I've had clients do things like that before, but it's definitely recommended that you want to talk to your lender if you think you're going to be using cash in any way, or if that's going to be part of your down payment, whatever the case may be. Even money that's given to you, maybe by a parent or friend or whoever, someone paid back a loan. If we're talking about transferring cash back and forth, got to document it really, really well. And honestly, probably 9 times out of 10, it's just not usable, unfortunately. These are not lender guidelines necessarily. This really tracks back to the U.S. Patriot Act and trying to stop money laundering, the funding of terrorism, things like that. Crazy as it may sound, those are some of the rules and things that we as lenders have to abide by and really look at. So it's definitely not just a quirk of our guidelines. But anyway, wanted to talk about that today, something really important that I do see from time to time. If anyone ever has questions about any mortgage-related matter, feel free to give me a call, 910-250-8888. Thanks so much, and hope everyone has a great day.